So we just want to start off by introducing the Goldway-Awana Gazette working group that has been doing all this work since Alderville. I guess the ones that are all present are up here right now. So we just wanted to give a visual of the working group, the committee that's been working on this, the revised Chinook Nagaywan, the Goldway-Awana Gazette, and has been doing all the hard work and dealing with the concerns, the issues that were brought forward in March and in Alderville. So I'm going to turn it over to Roger Daybutch here next. Roger was part of the governance working group that did a lot of the work leading up to the March convention last year, and Roger's going to say a few words.
I'm a very strong advocate of the Constitution, as I've been involved with it for probably since the inception of it with the Union. And I hold it very personal and dear because at the community level, that's going to be the driving force for us as Anishinaabe people. So I always try to bring information back to the committee level. You know, in our Anishinaabe way, this Constitution is going to be our law, our great law on how we as a nation govern ourselves. And equally important, at our community level, we are working on our own Constitution. So the questions that come up from our community and our Constitution Committee and our working groups is, how does one precede the other? We need this one up here so all these other little ones can fall under the umbrella of the Constitution. And that's where we're at in our community. You know, when we look at all the different things that are happening in our communities, and you know, we got our own land, our land code, our matrimonial real property, and all the issues that we're dealing with M&R, CAS, we have our own custom election code, and the different things that the development that's going on within our traditional lands, mining, forestry, fishing, and hunting, and the education, housing. You know, if we don't have our own ways of dealing with that, we are still going to be under legislation, and we still have to dance to the tune. And that's not what our community wants. That's not what the elders are telling us. We are big children now. We can look after ourselves. And that's the message that they gave me to bring here. Hey, we can look after ourselves. We hope that you guys and ladies really take this into consideration, that this is a living document, it's a working document, and let's move on. Let's get it passed. Miigwech.
Oh, miigwech, Roger. So we can ask our committee to have a seat now, and we'll continue on with the presentations here.